Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print a document on the Box the Content Cloud application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on one of the documents you would like to print out, and then click on the three dots icon in the right side corner of the screen and tap on the print button, which is the fifth option in the middle. Here you can attach your printer to your device. You can set the number of copies you want to make, and then you can also set the paper size. You have a bunch of options here. Then click on the print button and you will be able to print it out. Here you can see the preview. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.